NEET 2021 MCQ. A ball of mass 0.15 kg is dropped from a height 10 meter, strikes the ground and rebounds to the same height. The magnitude of impulse imparted to the ball is nearly. Take small g is 10 meter per second square. Now here initial velocity of the ball u or v naught is 0. Height is here 10 meter. So speed of the ball just before the collision is root 2g into height, and here in vector form v vector is equal to root 2gh into, in downward direction unit vector is minus j. Now after rebounds, initial velocity is suppose v dash and here final velocity is 0. So here vi or v dash, that is also root 2gh, but in vector form v dash vector is equal to root 2gh, unit vector in upward direction is j caret. So change in velocity is equal to velocity of the ball just after collision v dash minus just before collision v. So it is root 2gh into j caret minus minus plus root 2gh j caret. So it is 2 root 2gh j caret. So 2 square root 2 into 10 into 10 j caret. So 2 square root 200 j caret. So 2 into 10 into root 2 j caret. So it is 20 root 2 j caret. Now impulse of force F delta t is equal to change in linear momentum delta p is equal to m delta v. But here m is 0.15, delta v is 20, root 2 is approx 1.414 into j. So here it is 0.15 into 20 is 3 into 1.414, that is approx 4.2 j caret. So magnitude of F delta t is equal to magnitude of delta p is equal to 4.2 kg meter per second. So your answer is option D. Thank you.